Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enable or disable hybrid graphics on the Alienware Aurora 16 laptop. First, we need to enter the BIOS menu on this laptop. To do that, shut your computer down and then press the power button to launch it. Repeatedly click the F2 key until you enter the BIOS menu. In this menu, we need to first enable Advanced Setup. To do that, switch this toggle to the right. This will make the Display tab appear on the sidebar. Select Display. Scroll down until you find Hybrid Graphics. Here you can enable or disable this feature by switching the toggle on or off. To apply changes, click Apply Changes at the bottom, then click OK. Then you can exit this menu and BIOS overall by either clicking Exit in the bottom right corner or by pressing the Escape button. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.